Good morning everyone. Myself Manjusha There and today is my topic is tissue of humans. So, tissue is the group of cells which having similar structure and functions. They work together for specific activity. Then the study of tissue is called histology and the study of tissues diseases that is called histopathology. So, in human body, there are mainly four types of tissues: epithelial tissues, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. So, first we discuss about the epithelial tissue. So, epithelial tissues is present on the skin surface or outer covering of the bodies or organs. Then, epithelial tissues are divided into two categories on the basis of how many layers they made up. First is squamous simple epithelial tissue and second is stratified epithelium tissue. So, simple epithelial tissue means they form single layer and stratified epithelium tissue means they form multiple layers, which means many epithelial cells comes together and form multiple layers. So, first we discuss about the simple epithelial tissue. In that, it also divided into four categories: simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, and simple ciliated epithelium. So, simple squamous epithelium, it means the cells have flat shape. Simple cuboidal epithelium means cells have cube-like shape, means box-like shape. Then third is simple columnar epithelium means cells have column-like shape. And last one is ciliated epithelial, that is cells on the surface of tissue cilia are present. Then second is stratified epithelium. They also divided into four categories: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, and transitional epithelium. So, first is stratified squamous epithelium means cells have flat shape. Stratified cuboidal epithelium means cells have cube-like shape. Stratified columnar epithelium means cells have column-like shape. And last one is the stratified transitional epithelium, means it is the special type of tissue, means it is present in the uterus and urinary bladders and they have the capacity of contraction and relaxation. Then we see the function of epithelial tissue. So there are main functions, four main functions of epithelium tissue: protection, absorption, excretion, and secretion. So first is protection, means it acts as a barrier, physical barrier. It protects internal organs, underlying structures from the external environment. Then absorptions means stomach and gut absorb the nutrients from the food. Then excretions means epithelial tissues are present in the kidney, which is helps to excrete out toxin substances from the blood. Then secretions means epithelial tissue also produce sweat glands and oil glands, which secrete sweets and oils. So this is all about the epithelium tissue. Then second one is connective tissue. So connective tissue connects or binds many organs and many other tissues. It fills hollow spaces which is present in human body. Then there are many types of connective tissue, that is first is blood, means it is fluid connective tissue which transport nutrients and waste throughout the body. Then ligaments and tendons. Ligaments means joining of bones to bones and tendons mean joining of bones to the muscles. Then third is areolar tissue. Areolar tissue means it is loose connective tissue. It is present in between skin and muscles. So it also have ability of repairing and healing, and blood vessels and nerves are present in areolar tissue. Then adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is responsible for the storage of fats It is also responsible for the insulations, means it protects hot and cold environment to our body. Then it also provides mechanical strength, means padding to the internal organs and supports. Then bone is the heart connective tissue. It provides the framework of the body. It is helpful for the locomotions. And then cartilages are the avascular substance, means blood vessels are not present in cartilages. It is softer than the bones, less rigid than the bones, for example ear, nose, joints, etc. So these are some types of connective tissues. Then we see function of connective tissue. So a main function of connective tissue is to connect or binds many organs and any other tissues in our body. Then it also fights against many type of infections. Then it also supports the organs and tissues of the body. It provides support to the many organs. So this is all about the connective tissue. Then third one is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue have stretching ability, means it is able to shorten or contract or relax and allow to move the body. In human body there are three types of muscular tissue, means three types of muscles: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles means tendons, means joining of bones to the muscles. Then it allows for the movement. Then cardiac muscles, which means present in the heart, which is responsible for the pumping of the blood. Then smooth muscles, it is present in the intestine and it is responsible for the movement of food throughout the digestive tract. It is also present in the uterus, urinary bladders, etc. Then skeletal muscles is voluntary muscles, and smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles. Then in skeletal muscles and cardiac muscles there are one similarities, that is presence of striations, which is responsible to provide physical strength to both the muscles. Then we see the function of muscular tissue. So muscular tissue provides posture to the body, supports to many organs and tissues. It also responsible for the pumping of the blood, in which cardiac muscles is responsible. So this is all about the function of the connective tissues. Then last one is the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, it is present in brain, spinal cords, and peripheral nerves. Nervous tissue, in nervous tissues, neurons is the main part, means neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Then neuron is made up of mainly four parts: dendrites, cell body or nucleus, axons, and then axon terminals. So dendrites is the first uh, uh, first receiving impulses, means impulses are first going into the dendrites, then it goes to the cell body, then axon, means middle part of the neuron, and then last one is axon terminals. And also myelin sheath is present in neuron. So myelin sheath is responsible uh, for the to provide nourishment to the neurons, and hence if there is myelin sheath are degenerate or any other damage of the myelin sheath, there causes Alzheimer disease, means there is confusion in decision making, confusion in the movements. So that is the deficiency of the myelin sheath. Then we see the function of the nervous system. Nervous system is mainly important in the learning process, memory process. It controls all the voluntary process. It controls many other body functions. It is responsible for generating the impulses, transmitting the impulses throughout the body. So this is the function of nervous system. In this we discuss all the four tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and last one is nervous tissue. So this is all about the tissues of humans. Thank you.